Hello. In this tutorial, we will answer some basic questions about statistics and outline some practical first steps to identifying your research needs before you begin searching. First things first, what are statistics? Statistics are the analyzed product of raw data and answer questions like how much or how many. Statistics are often presented in the form of a quick number, chart, or other infographic. The purpose of statistics is to take massive spreadsheets of information and condense it into a form that people can use for understanding. In order to find relevant statistics on your topic, ask yourself 3 questions: when, how often, and where. Consider if you are looking for data from a specific point in time or looking at changes over time. How often are the numbers reported in comparison to how often the variable changes? For example, if you are looking at weather patterns, you might want to consider several decades of data, whereas a single decade is usually sufficient for political views. Finally, consider where you are studying. Statistics from an urban environment might not apply to a rural environment. Answering these questions will help you determine where you want to look for your statistics. So, you've outlined the when and where, but you still need to identify the object of our focus. The technical term for this is social unit, and it answers the who or what part of our research question. Are we studying people? And if so, are we studying them as families or individuals? Or are we concerned with an organization and want to know the net income of a company? Maybe we are dealing with a what, like a social phenomenon or an environmental trend. Take a minute to pause the video and answer these questions about your research. Now that you know what types of statistics you are looking for, it is time to identify where you might find them. Start by considering what institutions might produce the statistics you need, such as the FBI for crime statistics, or the Department of Health for cases of a rare disease. The institution may be a government agency, university research center, or advocacy think tank. Many of these institutions have websites from which they share their data to inform the public. If you are not sure which agency might be reporting the information you hope to find, try typing your topic plus statistics plus .gov into the search bar. Here at the library, we have a few databases that feature statistics. To get to them, click on Research Databases from the library homepage and select Statistics from the Database Type drop-down menu. Or search in academic journals. When searching academic journals, try keywords related to your topic and statistics. Remember, numbers can be biased. Data collection and statistical analysis doesn't come cheaply. Most statistical reports are paid for by private organizations, business marketing teams, and advocacy groups. While we will address how to evaluate statistical reports in another tutorial, always consider the source of your statistics. Also, remember that data collection and analysis can take time. The most current statistics available may still be a year or more old. If you encounter difficulty locating statistics relevant to your research, please ask a librarian.